Hello YouTube. Okay, so what we're gonna do today, I'm going to actually show you how to install the retrofit door lights, which is in a basic door lights on that car. That car is an Audi A4 B8 and this is the S-Lane edition, but comes without entry lights. I'm so disappointed, but I found the best way to fix them by this kit. Okay, so what we have in a box? We have 4 white one on bottom, 4 red on emergency, and we have a cables which is in a retrofit basic cable, and they are not an aftermarket. So I'll show you. You have 2 wirings and you have a basic Audi socket. So yeah, that's it. If you're interested, to stay with me and you can fix it. Okay, so how we can start? The first, need to take off the door panel. You have a screw in here, over here, and you have under that panel as well. So I will show you how to take it out, the door panel first, and after, as you can see, what we're gonna do.
You with my life, live until I make the devil cry. I look up inside myself, I know my future bright. I look up my old friends there in jail for taking lies. Could've been me, could've been you. Poverty line was a kid to do. Yeah, when he came out of nothing but wanna be something when everything's blocking his moves. Not everyone can do this shit, so I'm coming for everything. Do it in the name so they will know I never died in vain.
The blue socket, that's the door sensor and electric windows and interior light socket. So need to take off that socket cover, and we have after 2 wiring. One have a silver pin, I want to show you, and one is just a raw wiring. So the silvers is going to pin 16 and the second one is just going to the pin 5, share the wiring with the raw wirings, but I will show you.
Way too late at night and I don't feel good. I've been blacking out, I need some meds that make me real good. And I don't wanna die, but it's so damn hard. And I want you by my side, but I'm always in the dark, so I blame myself. I push away help, I strain my health, I hang myself, so I blame myself. I push away help, I strain my health, I hang myself, yeah, yeah. And I don't wanna be this way, no. I'm sick of waking up in pain, yeah. And I don't wanna be this way, no. Got all this paranoia, yeah, yeah. Cemetery call, let me know that you been stalking me. So come on and walk with me straight so they don't talk to me. Guess that makes the 2 of us, want nothing to do with us. So fuck on myself, only wanna trust. Everybody looking at me, they don't know what.
Okay, right, so the light is installed, emergency, entry lights, and the cables, and the main cable, it's fixed and put in the correct pin. So don't forget, the silver one is going to the pin 16, which is in a corner, and the second one, the raw cable, is going to pin 5, and just need to take off the pin 5 and share this cable to the positive, and that's it. So just need to put it back everything, and after going to the rear door.
Even though I live, I don't feel alive. Even if I die, you still gon' see me rise. Take a breath, no more stress. Sick of living, seeking death. I can't rest, no depressed. I'm no longer feeling
Alright, here we are at the rear door. Same like a front, need to take off the door panel, covers, screws, etc. After, as you can see now, a black socket. That's the same like in front, what was a blue main socket in here as well. We have two wiring, one with the silver pin. This is going to the pin 12, and we have another one, that's the raw wiring. This needs to share with pin 13. After put back the panel, and the last things just need to be coding by vcds or basically vacuum.
It's so hard to try when everything is dying. I remember times when I could breathe. Vultures always prying at my skin, I'm crying. It's so terrifying. I barely see the daylight, sleep during the daytime. Days went to the same night. I don't even go outside now, and I don't wanna wake up. Ever since I came up, I cannot relate to no one now.
Okay, all door panel and door cover is fixed. The light is on as well. So the next step is going to the other side and then going to the coding. After the light's gonna be on, and we'll see how it's working. Hopefully, finger crossed, everything is right now. Right, so the all door lights is installed, so every single door is done, but they doesn't working without coding. So that's what I want to show you in this section. Alright, first things to do, just connect your OBD cable and open the vcds or a vacuum. Okay, after that select, put the ignition on, so you will see the ignition is on. Right, after that go to chassis, after door, electrics, driver, and you see going to coding, long coding helper, and in here on the section 3 or 2, yeah, see the door entry lights, tick, ambient lights, door warning lights, interior door handle. So all just tick on it, close it, click to do it, yes, coding accepted, so we're working correctly. And now go back, same go back, exit. That was a coding. Now let's see how it's working. Okay, so after the coding you will see all door lights is on, the emergency on top, and logos or emblems on bottom. It's not a factory one, so I bought it, the projector lights, so you see it's just a projector lights on coming through the ground, and the S lane as well on the rear door. So you see, is the projector lights Those two came from Amazon. Those ones was a retrofit door light, and it's working perfectly.